Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's me, AllThat Jazz. I haven't done a voiceover in a minute, so thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome to my channel. This is my birthday hairstyle. It's knotless boho braids. I am in love. They took me forever to do, but they turned out really beautifully. So this is my setup in the bathroom. I was in here for 3 days. I had everything I literally needed in this bathroom. Just went ahead and got the camera all set up. I didn't take it down for the entire time, and I even waited a day after I was done to take it down because that's how tired I was. So I started out with spritzing my hair with water because my hair had been blow dried for a week prior to doing my braids, only because with doing it myself, I already know that I'm probably not gonna have the energy to do it all in one go, like wash it and braid it and everything. So I just tried to prep it as much as possible so that I had an easy time doing this, and it was still hard. So I'm using the mirror that's on the wall, and I'm also using this big brown mirror behind me, and they're sort of positioned so that when I'm facing one way, I can see what's going on in the mirror behind me. And I just section my hair out, and I'm doing big sections, and in those big sections I'm going to do smaller sections. So I parted my hair down the middle for the style, even though on my clients I would not normally do this, but for myself it makes it easier to have symmetry if I just part it down the middle. Shout out to people whose braids are thick and whatnot. And I fixed my lighting. I put a ring light over the mirror. I kept knocking it down, but it did what it was supposed to do. But yeah, shout out to everyone whose hair is thick when they braid it like this. I got like 3 strands of hair, and so this is all it amounts to. You know when you boil a bag of spinach? I don't care, I'm still cute though. Look at it, go ahead. Period. Ah.
Yeah.
I'm really trying to gently do my hair more often because I feel like anytime I go to do it, I'm a little rough, and I don't really like that. But I'm trying to, you know, be better, I guess.
Yeah.
So I'm going to go ahead and finish braiding up the rest of the sections, and then I'm going to part the sections into smaller sections, and I'll show you guys how that looks when I'm all done.
Something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me by that work. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you.
This is my hair all sectioned into big sections and then little tiny subsections where each row is going to be. And from here, I'm just gonna go in and separate out the hair.
Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry.
After I finished separating out the hair, I went ahead and started braiding the back of my hair just to get a little head start. This is the following day, the day I actually intended to braid my hair. I wanted to give myself I wanted to give myself a whole day to do my hair, which would have been today. But I gave myself a little head start by doing the parting and doing some of the braids yesterday. This is what I got done so far. They look okay. The parting started to get a little crazy, so I'm gonna try to do a little better today. That part is at the bottom, so I'm not really worried about it. I'm trying to get my stuff set up so I can watch something, and yeah, I'm gonna show you everything I got, hopefully. I actually go in and I start braiding down. I took many breaks, but I did finish it all this day. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward through most of it. Some parts are shown, but go ahead and enjoy. Let me know what you think about it in the comments, and I hope you love it. Don't be afraid to braid your own hair. It can be intimidating, but once you get the hang of it, one, it'll save you so much money, and two, it's just like, for me, it's kind of therapeutic. Like, I get to play in my hair. It looks pretty after. I don't have to worry about it for a few weeks. I really enjoy it, even though it's a lot of work. So hopefully, if nothing else, this inspires you. Ooh, this is the part where I'm trying to show how I attach the hair. It's not necessarily a tutorial, but this is just how I do it from a left-hand perspective, and I'm slowing it down so that you can see that I'm pinching it with my index and thumb with my left hand while I'm placing it with the other side. You could see what I'm doing. Oh my goodness. Rewind it if you can see it. At this point, I was exhausted, but I had to keep going. I left out a small piece of hair. Let me know if you would have cut the hair or did what I just did.
29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.
is how much I've done so far. I think it looks really, really good. Is it perfect? No, but it looks so good to me. So I'm showing you here that I left out part of my edges, and you're really gonna see it on the next one when I part the hair away from the braid. And I left my edges out because I noticed that when I take my braids down, it always has my edges in it, and that could be for two reasons. One, my edges are too fragile and can't handle the weight of the braiding hair, or me pulling it into a ponytail really just snatches my edges, literally. So I just left them out, and I actually haven't been wearing my braids in a ponytail, so I haven't had any white bulbs. I'm actually gonna do a takedown video so you guys will get to see what my hair looks like after wearing the braids for how long I plan on wearing them, which I don't know how long that is. I already have my next style plan. I'm going to record it, I promise, and I'm going to post it in a timely fashion. Here goes a good old time lapse of me finishing up the rest of my hair. By this point, I just needed to finish. I think it was like 4 in the morning, and so it is Saturday, the day before my actual birthday, and on the last day I went ahead and added the Deepwave human hair to the ends of my braids, and that is how I got the completed look. This hair is regular Kanekalon hair, so it doesn't, I mean, if you dip it in hot water and put it on rods, it'll curl, but the curls that you're seeing right here is human hair. It turned out so good. I hope you love this. Let me know if you try it. Let me know how long it takes. And thank you so much for watching this video. You're the best. I'll see you on the vlog. Bye.